How to use gold cuffs in Lands of Jail. So gold cuffs are the game's premium currency, so one of their special resources you can get via the shop. So go ahead to the top up center in the top right corner, scroll for a bit until you find the gold cuffs pack. You can see the packs they can offer you and of course its price. So if you want to see what it can do, just press on the information button over here. So it can tell you what the gold cuffs do. So this is the official currency of Idol of the Banished. Gold cuffs can be used to purchase packs. During checkout, the system will prioritize using gold cuffs if the balance is sufficient. If the balance is insufficient, a standard purchase will be required, and the following rewards are not granted when purchasing gold cuffs packs. So you can't unlock the first time top up bonus, you cannot earn Pioneer Race event loyalty cards, can't accumulate top up points, but however, purchasing packs with the gold cuffs can accumulate points, and you can't use these for completing the strongest alliance pack purchase tasks. So again, it's mainly used for the Isle of the Banished of this game, but that's pretty much where else you can use the golden cuffs in Lands of Jail. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.